I'm just going to check how data frames are being joined in Pyspark. Okay, so there are multiple types like left, right, inner, cross, full, these kind of jobs, but there are some additional ones like left anti, left anti, left semi, these kind of joins. So we are going to explore these and we'll see like how to write these. So the basic syntax is data frame dot join, and first parameter will come, or you can say the first argument we have to pass is the data frame itself, the other data frame, and then we have to pass on the in which we want to join the table, like which column, and then how we want to join these tables, like left, right, inner, and all those things. Okay, so quickly go to the notebook here. So I have already created the session. So we have these two data frames. Okay, so we can just run this and see like what kind of data we got. So looking at the syntax here, I can see we just have to write data frame dot. So I'm just going to copy it. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, so we have the data frame df1 dot join, and the other one is df2. So the common keyword we have to write, like on which keyword we have to do this. So we can see ID is the common one. On so I can write ID and how equals to inner. So we are going to start with inner, and we can just type show. Okay, we will see. So it should be returning only the common rows from both the data frames. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. Now we can do the same for other type of join. So I'm just going to write that on equals to ID and now equals to, so let's check the left. So it works the same way it works in SQL or any other language. So as you can see here, it's returning all the common values first. So basically, what is left join? Left join is equals to inner join plus all the values from all the remaining values from left table or data frame, you can say in this case. Okay, so if we look here, so we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one was from inner join. Okay, but we got this additional row which is only present in left table. So if I go up here and see 1, 2, 3, and the last row is 6. So that's how we got this table. Okay, similarly for the right join, we have inner join plus all the remaining values from the right table. Okay, so just going to perform the join. df2 non equals to id equals to right. Okay, so it should be giving us the correct result. So 1, 2, 3. This is from the inner join, and this part is from the right table. This part. Okay. So if I just quickly do the dot show, it should be giving us 1, 2, 3, and then the remaining column rows were 4, 7. Okay, so these were inner join, left join, and the right join. Okay, so now we are left with some other joins which are additionally present in Pyspark. So we are going to explore those as well. Okay, so we are left with the outer join. So I'm just going to try that. Okay, df2 equals to id and how equals to out. So I can just show and it will give us all the results. So basically what outer does is like it gives you all the available row from both the tables. Okay, so now we can move to, okay, so the other type of join is left semi. So basically what this join will do, it will return only the matching rows from the left table or the data frame, but it will not include any columns from the right table. Okay, so this is how you can write it, and we'll see like what's the output. So left semi dot show. What this will do, it will only return the matching from the uh, left column, and it will not include any columns from the right table. So this is somewhat similar to the inner join, but in inner join, when we do the inner join, it will include the columns from the right table as well. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, now let's go to the next type of join, which is left and tie. So basically, what this kind of what it will do, it will only return the non-matching rows from the left table. So it is helpful when you're trying to find out, okay, what data is not matching with the other data frame. So use this. Okay, so I'm just going to do anti. So there are two types, like how you can write this, left anti or left underscore anti. Okay, make sure, and we will see. Okay, similar to left semi, where it's not including any columns from the right table. Similar way, it's not including any column from the right table, but only giving you the unmatching rows. Last type of join we are left with is the cross join. So cross joins are basically the Cartesian product of both the tables. So let's say we have 4 rows in a table and 6 rows in another table. So the output will be the resulting output will be 6 into 4, 24 rows. Okay, so right now we have the upload df count. We have about 4 rows. Df2 dot count. We have about 5 rows. So the resulting data frame should be having 20 rows. So let me quickly do that. Okay, so seems like 20 rows, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let me do count of this. Okay, so we can do dot count, and the output has 20. So here we go. These are the joins which can be used in different use cases in Pyspark. Thank you.